In this video, I'll dive into a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to boost your immune system quickly. It can be super frustrating when you start to feel something coming on and you don't have anything that you can do for it, or you're not feeling your best and you would love some quick relief. In this video, I'll show you how to boost immunity at home and essential oil recipes for healthy immune system support that can help you achieve rapid wellness. They've worked for the past 14 years for my family of 8 and thousands of other families that I've worked with. So let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey Paulson, essential oil educator, health and business coach, plus mother of 6 amazing kids. If you love learning about natural wellness options that you can use right in your home, then hit the subscribe button and bell notification right now. Yes, right now. Before we jump into these quick immune boosting recipes, let's talk about why essential oils are such powerful tools for supporting your immune system. Essential oils are concentrated plant extracts with incredible therapeutic benefits. They can help us boost immunity naturally and fast. For instance, scientific studies demonstrates that diffusion of essential oils can purify and cleanse the air, providing added protection. Lemon essential oil, for instance, contains powerful cleansing properties that purify the air that we breathe, so delivering positive effects on the immune system. Okay, our first recipe is an ultra quick and effective immune boosting diffuser blend. Wondering how to boost your immune system quickly? All you need are lemon, oregano, on guard, tea tree, and frankincense. If you don't have on guard, which is a blend created by doTERRA that contains orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary, you can create your own if you have pure and potent brand of essential oils. And I love On Guard Blend because that brand and blend has probably the most scientific peer-reviewed studies to back it up. You can combine 1 to 2 drops of each of these oils in your diffuser for an instant uplift in your space and a rapid immune boost. Up next, let's whip up an Express Immunity Roller Blend for on-the-go support. This is perfect for those wondering how to boost immunity at home or on the go. Gather the same essential oils, lemon, oregano, on guard, tea tree, and frankincense, and mix 5 to 6 drops of each into a 10 milliliter bottle, and then go ahead and top it off with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil. Then you can just go ahead and apply those to your pulse points, like your wrist and your neck, the bottom of your feet, and or your spine for a speedy immune quick start. You can use this blend on yourself and your kids and pretty much anyone who has a pulse. And just a quick reminder though, essential oils are potent, so proper usage is key. Always dilute with a carrier oil and make sure that you only use pure and potent essential oils, or you won't get the intended immune boost. And hey, if you're looking for a more in-depth guidance on using essential oils for overall wellness, I've got something special for you. I put together a free essential oils guidebook that covers everything from essential oil basics to advanced essential oil usage tips. It's a comprehensive resource that you can download right now. The link is in the description below. And trust me, it's a game changer on your journey to a healthier you. And if you enjoy live interaction and the ability to ask your essential oil questions, go ahead and join one of my free weekly wellness workshops. I will go ahead and link that up again in the card down in the bottom. In the description, somewhere. Let's not forget about incorporating essential oils into a rapid immune boosting tea. This is not only a soothing beverage, but also a fantastic way to boost your immune system in 24 hours. For this quick tea, you'll need lemon and On Guard, honey, and a mug of hot water. You put 1 drop of On Guard, which could be a drop of clove or cinnamon essential oil, and then 3 drops of lemon into a steaming mug. Then add your honey to taste. There you have it, some fantastic essential oil recipes for quick immune boost. Coming up next, if you have ever wondered how to tell if your essential oils are pure, check out the next video, or if you have a dog that you love, learn how to use essential oils for your furry friend. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a wellness update. Stay healthy, and I will catch you in the next one.